Conversation between two friends. Conversation 1. Conversation with a new friend. Hello, my name is Kate.
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you doing?
Good. I live in London. Where do you live?
Nice. I live in Paris. How long do you live there?
I have been living there for 5 years.
Do you live alone or with your family?
I live with my parents.
Really? How nice. I live with my brothers.
How many brothers do you have?
I have two brothers.
What do you do?
I am a doctor. What about you?
I'm a banker. It was nice talking to you, but I have to go now.
Conversation with old school friend.
Hi Alice, how are you? Long time no see.
Oh, Kate, it's you. Nice to see you. Where are you going?
I'm going to my college.
I always wanted to visit your college, and I also wanted to get admission in this college.
Great. I would be very happy if you come back to my college.
Thank you so much. See you again. Bye.
Conversation 3. Conversation with a friend about job. Hi Emma, what's up?
I am so good. Where are you working?
I'm working in a factory.
Do you like working in the factory?
No, I don't like working in a factory, but I need money.
Yes, I understand. Where do you want to work?
I want to work in an office.
I see. I hope you get a job in an office.
Thank you, Emma. Where do you work?
I work in the hospital.
What do you do in the hospital?
I am a doctor. I love my job.
That's great. I'm happy that you have a good job.
Thanks. I have to leave for my work. Bye.
See you, Emma.
Conversation 4. Conversation at the university. Hi, how are you? Are you a student?
Yes, I study computer science at the university.
Nice. I study accounting.
Great. It is really nice to meet you.
What year are you in?
I'm in my last year of technology school.
Wow, great. You must be so happy that you will become a graduate soon.
Yes, I'm so happy. What year of commerce school are you in?
I am in my third year of commerce school.
Great. I have to go now. Maybe we can meet for coffee.
Yes, that sounds great.
I'll call. See you soon.
Conversation 5. Conversation about the importance of learning English.
Hello, Olivia. How are you?
I am great. And what about you?
I'm so. Where are you going?
I am going to British Council.
But why?
I am doing an English learning course.
Why do you learn English? Is it very important?
Of course, it is very necessary.
Will you explain it, please?
Why not? You know that English is an international language.
So what?
The world cannot go for a single day without English.
So, should I learn English regularly?
Sure,
I understand, but English is a very difficult subject.
English is not a difficult subject at all. Rather, we make it difficult.
But how? Explain it, please.
As we don't read well, don't try to understand, don't practice. That's why we face difficulty in English. I understand. If we learn English with proper understanding and practice more and more, English will be the most easiest subject to us.
Yeah, certainly.
I want to learn English and speak English fluently. Thank you for your valuable suggestion.
You are most welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.